Welcome to PharmaVice Performance Management. In this video, we will demonstrate accessing the Performance Management System, updating your goal progress, completing your self-evaluation, uploading attachments, how to print, save a copy of your review, and signing off on your self-evaluation. In order to access the system, you must log into the ADP self-service portal. Once in the self-service portal, located on the lower left-hand section of the welcome page, you will see the ADP Performance Management link. Using this access method, you will not need a separate login for the Performance Management System. Let's get started.
Before you begin completing your self-evaluation, it's important that you update your goals as this cannot be completed within the performance review. Under the Performance tab, select Goals. From the main Goals page, you can view and manage goals. Clicking on the goal title will open the Manage Goals page. The Manage Goals page is a complete view of the goal, including details, progress, alignment, major milestones, and comments. From this page, you will be able to manage your goal progress by entering the percentage completed on either the goal itself or on the major milestones you've entered. Once you have updated your progress, click the Save and Close button at the bottom of the page. You will now see the progress that was entered on the goal's main page. Please note, if you edit a goal and it has not been approved, the goal will not display within your review. We will now begin how to complete your self-evaluation in the Your Task section on the home page. Under the Home tab, select Welcome. There you will see Complete Self-Evaluation in the Your Task section. Click the link to open the self-evaluation. The Overview section provides a quick glance of the current active review steps and displays which section of the review have been completed or remain outstanding. The lists located on the left are the sections within the review. Please note that managers and above will have more sections to complete. The review step progress provides a visual display of the workflow process. The steps highlighted with a bold check mark are currently active. The steps that are not highlighted are next or finished. Clicking the Get Start button will display the goals section of the review. You will see the updates you made. As mentioned previously, you cannot change any information on the goals section. Read the description of the dimension for all sections. Click the drop-down button for the select field on each goal and then click the rating that you feel best reflects your work this year on that goal. Scroll down and continue rating on each goal within the section. When you reach the bottom of the section and you have rated yourself on all the dimensions in the section, do one of the following. Click the Save and Continue button at the bottom of the page to move to the next section. Click the Save and Exit button if you want to quit working on your self-evaluation and come back to it later. Please note, if you have missed an item, a message will display instructing you to finish the section before saving. This section will not be considered complete until you click one of the Save buttons. You will see that the Goals section is now bold, which indicates it is finished and you have moved on to the Job Skills section. Please note, as you progress through each section, you will notice a percentage completed amount. Continue working in this manner until you have evaluated your performance on all the dimensions in the Goals, Job Skills, Fundamentals, and PharmaVite Values sections. As you complete a section, click the Save and Continue button to move to the next section. You are required to describe both the strengths of your performance this year and opportunities for improvement and growth. Also, if you rated yourself as unsatisfactory on any item in the fundamentals category, you must add an explanation in the section reserved for that. There are 3 text boxes on this page. Although these text boxes expand as text is added, a best practice reminder is to be specific and to the point in your descriptions. You may also spell check your work by clicking the spell check button within each text box. Click the Save and Continue button. Once all the sections have a bold check mark, meaning that you have finished all the sections in the self-evaluation, you can upload documents you feel are appropriate for your review. To start this process, click the Options drop-down arrow at the top of the review, select Attachments. Use the Choose File button on the Attachments dialog box to find the file, then click the Save button. To print a copy of your self-evaluation, click the Options drop-down arrow at the top of the review. Select Print Review to generate a PDF document that you can save to your computer or print. Click the Submit button after you review for completeness. Once you click the Submit button, you will not be able to do any further editing on your review. A confirmation window will display. Click the Submit button to continue.
After your manager acknowledges your one-on-one annual review meeting, you will need to electronically sign your annual review. You will also have the opportunity to add any comments you may have. The complete self-evaluation task will again appear on the Your Task list on the Welcome page. Click the link to begin. Once on the annual review page, scroll down. Click the check mark by the overall rating. This will take you to the overall rating section. View the overall rating your manager assigned to your work this year. Finally, click the Save and Continue button. This will take you to the sign-off page. Fill in your name in the Self field. Click the Sign button. You will see your name and the date you signed. This lets you know that your signature was captured. Optionally, you may add comments in the text box provided. Review all your work on this page and then click the Submit button. Your annual review will next be routed to your manager for the final review and signature. After your manager signs the review, it is complete. To log out, click the Log Out under the asterisk button. Thank you, as this concludes the performance management video.